In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Trello cards repeat, recurring tasks power up 5 minutes. If you find yourself rebuilding the same reminders every week or month, this is going to save you tons of time. We'll use Trello's card repeater power up to automatically create fresh copies of a card on a schedule you control. Start by logging into Trello. Once you're in, open the board where you manage the tasks you want to automate. On that board, look for power-ups. You'll usually find it in the board menu or the toolbar. Open it, then choose Add Power-ups to browse Trello's directory. In the search bar, type Card Repeater. When it appears, click Enable or Add. That turns on the feature for your board. If you don't see the option, you might need board permissions, so check with an admin. A quick note. Card Repeater creates brand new copies of a card on schedule. It doesn't edit the original, which is perfect for recurring work like weekly reports or monthly audits. Next, open the specific card you want to repeat. Inside the card, click the Power-Ups button or icon and then select Repeat. A setup window will appear with your scheduling options. Choose how often you want the card to recur: daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. For example, daily works well for stand-ups, weekly for team check-ins, monthly for billing or backups, and yearly for annual reviews. Now set the exact time and day for the card to be created. Pick a time that fits your workflow and keep your time zone in mind so it appears when you expect it. Then choose where you want the new card to show up by selecting the list and whether it should appear at the top or the bottom. Placing new cards at the top keeps them front and center. The bottom is great if you prefer a first in, first out rhythm. When you've set the frequency, time, day, list, and position, click. Save to finalize everything. From now on, Trello will automatically create a fresh copy of that card based on your settings. The new copies include the card's content and typically keep things like labels, checklists, and members, so you don't have to rebuild them each time. And that's it. You've turned a repetitive task into a reliable automation using Card Repeater. If your process changes later, just reopen the card, adjust the repeat settings, and save again. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined Trello workflow.